Hey, yo, what's going on, Bliggity Vlog? How we doing, Bales? Tell them how you feel. Damn, I was zoomed in on that. I'm so sorry, guys. I thought I had it zoomed out. 0.05, I didn't do that. Whoops-a-daisy. We out here, though. We Bliggity Vlogging. We got Mrs. Puff. Yeah, we're gonna go with Mrs. Puff today. We got Mrs. Puff. We got some sun activated on beautiful Wednesday. And let's just say, we don't got much plans, but of course, Mr. R3 Kyle is pulling up. He took off. We're taking advantage of a beautiful day. And guys, I got a surprise for the boy Kyle. All I told him is go home, grab a backpack before you pull up to my house. So we're gonna hook the boy up. I got an old GoPro Hero 3 back when I did the YouTube channel back with the Subaru. So boy Kyle is trying to get back on the he's trying to get on that content wave, so I figured nothing better than to light a fire under his butt cheeks and hook the boy up with a free little camera setup. It still shoots in 1080, so he can get decent quality, and like I said, at least light the fire under his butt cheeks, and maybe one day he'll end up getting a better camera and really getting on this grind with me. But you know, good people deserve good things, and we're gonna hook the boy up. So I'm gonna surprise you guys. I'm gonna throw you on the chin mount on the helmet, and I'll pull you guys out once he gets here and we surprise him. What's up, baby? Look at that. We got the man over here. Wow. I fucked up. I'm sorry. That works. I didn't see your text because I was in the middle of trying to do the video, and then I seen it and I was like, fuck, I should have told you earlier. But I got you something, buddy.
What's this?
Open it up, see what you got. All I'm gonna say is it shoots in 1080p. I got you, homie. I got you. Yo, you got like 4 batteries in there. You got a couple different mounts. It's got a screen for it. Fuck around with it. Do whatever you want to do.
Thank you.
Of course. Really, you could probably swap it. It's just as thick. It's perfect. Okay. You could literally swap it right on. I actually have that same circle attachment in there too, so. You got a full setup, bro.
Oh,
you got a full setup.
Can't mess around now. Now we're gonna go legit.
I was just telling the vlog, I was like, I gotta light the fire under his ass. So anything for free works. At least they'll give you a little bit of seat time, get you under the cameras.
Yeah, because I was riding the other day and I was going over sunrise over the bridge, and
the
sun was coming up.
Yep.
Like,
I remember you were telling me.
To see the sunrise as you're going.
Yeah. I think you just gotta get an SD card too.
Okay, I can.
But
yeah.
that stuff's all easy. At least you got a camera. You can start fucking with it and learning how it works, you know?
Thanks, Mike.
Of course. I got you, homie.
Right.
I got you, bro. You know it's all love over here.
All right.
I got you, baby. I'll pull down there. Let's go for a ride.
Go?
Wherever. I don't care. You want to go by the water?
Yeah. Oh,
follow me.
You going to take those pictures?
Yeah, follow me. We'll go by the water.
All right, let's do it.
I just got to let this thing warm up for a sec.
That's fine. Bro. I got no choice now.
That's it, dude.
Push me over.
That's it. I mean, you're good with it though. You like doing it. So even if you just do it for fucking Instagram clips, it's just something to like give you a little bit of, you know, make you feel like you're not just doing everything on your phone. It makes you feel a little bit more legit about it, you know? But you're gonna like it. That shit still shoots. It still shoots good quality. It's not terrible. All right, boys. You already know I had to bless the homie. Like I said, good people deserve good things. Kyle is a great person. I'm gonna put the homie on my water spots. I got a couple spots, so we're gonna go test the waters and see what he likes. And of course, I'm gonna bring you guys along. But let's do less of the boring talking stuff. I'll pull you guys out when we start riding. Ooh wee! Let's do this, boys. Oh, we got sweatshirt strings already. All right, let's fix this. Jeez, Betsy. She loves this. And then that beautiful Yami. guys hear Betsy, because she loves this cold weather just as much as I do. She backfires like a mamma jamma. You already know where we're at, boys. You always got to show yourself goals. Look at these houses. Look at all these houses, brother. Got the Mozzie. That's gorgeous. That I like. That I like. That might be number one. Or this one. God damn, brother. Woo! We got the Z. You got the Nismo out there. Hi, kitty. Oh, that's views, boy. And we got nobody here again. Oh, boys, this is prime photo shoot. You know what I'm saying? This is where we do it. Well, guys, Kyle's with it. Kyle was with the giggles. Hold on, I got him. I'm gonna hook him up. Yo, I got you. Hold on. I got a stand.
Nah, it's too soft.
You sure? No, this works. I just took pictures here. Okay. Is there any rocks I can skip? Holy moly. We're feeling reckless, boys. We're feeling reckless. Oh. Oh my gosh. Brother, you can't make this up. You cannot make this up. Oh, lordy lord. Alright, let's flip this Betsy around and let's get you guys some pictures real quick. Boys, can we appreciate this? Oh my god. Look at us getting down and dirty over here. Oh. Boys. If this ain't a view, I don't know what a view is. Look at that reflection off the water. Oh man. Let's enjoy this. This is literally what it's all about, guys. You can't beat this. You really cannot beat this. Look at this clear, wide open sky. You got the beautiful clouds, birds flying, nobody's here. We got this whole dock to ourselves, getting amazing pictures with amazing people. You know the vibes, baby. Oh, I just gotta take this stuff in. This is what it's all about, baby. This is what it's all about.
Bro, this is nice over here.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is like perfection.
Yeah.
Perfection. Alrighty, boys. Say goodbye to this beautiful view. We are going to go hit one more spot that I know right on the water, and then we are going to be out of here. You know, you boys got a dialed in schedule with YouTube. It's currently Wednesday for your boy. So you guys already know, every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday, we go live YouTube style, 3 p.m. Eastern time. So be there or be square, because that's the best way for you guys to get to know me. But like I said, we're gonna go hit up one more water spot, and then your boy's gonna scram because it's getting to that time where we gotta go live. Let's see, Willie. Love that, boys. We love it. All right, I'll take you guys out when we get out of the water over there, Jimmy Jansen style. If we don't remember, this is another one of Michael San's infamous sunset spots. Except we don't have a sunset today, but it's still a spot. It's still a spot. I'm putting the boy Kyle on all my water spots today. Doesn't look like there's too many cars in there, so we should be able to get some prime real estate for you boys. But this is gonna be the end of this video. Your boys gotta shoot home right after this, and we gotta shoot a live for y'all, like I said before in the last clip. So yeah, we gotta go get some lunch in the belly and get ready to go live for the boys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful content. It's really just nothing like enjoying a beautiful bike on two wheels by the water. Oh man, you guys know it. You guys know it. This is my happy place. This is where I'm zen. This is what makes me genuinely a happy person. So let's enjoy some good spots with some good people. And guys, please like, comment, subscribe, check the video out. Leave some feedback in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ooh, crisp, crisp. It's like I know my spots. Sheesh. Oh, perfection. Perfection, baby. Look at this. Can't beat this. You can't beat this.